This video will show you how to create a purchase order in Saffron. Once you've logged into the system, make sure that your unit is sitting in the correct week. Everything that you do in Saffron will be posted into the week that is displayed here, so it's very important that you're in the right one. You should be able to see the purchase order option in your favourites menu. Click on it once to open the form. Once the form opens, you will see that you've landed on the draft purchase order screen. Always press refresh to see any available documents that are sitting there waiting for your attention. This order here for M&J Seafood is in progress but hasn't yet been processed, which means that you're not going to get any food because the supplier doesn't know about this order yet. To create a new order, click on the new page at the top. The order type does not need to be changed, and the centre should display your unit. If you need to change it, use the orange drop-down key and select from the list. The supplier you need to select. Click on the orange drop-down arrow key and you'll see a list of suppliers. Click on the one you want by selecting the code. The next box down asks you for a template. You can use a template or not, as you prefer. Again, use the orange drop-down for help. Select the template that you need. The rest of the form will complete itself. The order date you cannot change, and the expected delivery date must be within your supplier schedule. Click Create when all boxes are completed. Saffron will then create for you a blank purchase order based on your template items. You can then add the quantities you want to order at the bottom, just by clicking into the quantity box and entering the numbers in there. If you don't want to order an item, simply leave the line blank. There's no need to delete it. You can use your mouse, your arrow key or your tab key to move from line to line. Once all quantities have been selected, you can press Save. You can then continue to process the order. This will make sure that the order is emailed directly to your supplier. If I press refresh here now, I won't be able to see the order that I've just created because it's been processed. If I move to processed awaiting delivery and refresh again, I'll be able to see my order at the bottom here. You can see that the supplier status on all of these orders says check. Eventually, when the order has been emailed to the supplier, this box will turn green, it will say sent, and you'll get a green tick in the box. If the order status remains at check in red, you need to contact the supplier to make sure that they got the order and then check your frontline support for how to deal with this order.